A storm, accompanied by strong winds, rain, and hail, struck the municipality of Štrpce in the afternoon. A strong storm also struck Ferizaj and Kaçanik in the afternoon, where hail also fell. The heavy rain caused large amounts of water to flow onto the streets of Štrpce. The rain made traffic impassable due to the flooding and ice. The road from Brezovica to Štrpce is currently completely blocked due to high water levels during the storm. The storm also affected parts of Sirinićka County, further complicating the situation in the region. The competent services are working to eliminate the consequences of the accident and restore normal traffic in the affected areas. Videos circulating online show cars stuck in ice and residents shoveling ice out of their yards. The most affected areas are Brezovica, Jilin, Ferizaj, and several villages in the municipality of Jakova. Images shared on social media showed flooded streets and courtyards, with high water levels and a thick layer of hail in many locations. In Brezovica, one of the country's most popular tourist destinations, the main road leading to the tourist complex became impassable due to flooding caused by the rain. Jilin was another town severely affected by the severe weather. A similar situation was reported in Ferizaj, where the sewage system was unable to cope with the large volume of water. In the municipality of Jakova, several villages were hit by heavy hail. Meanwhile, the Kosovo electricity distribution company announced that the rain had caused damage to the electricity network, leaving many consumers without power, especially in the Anamarava region. Our teams are on the ground and working non-stop to restore power supply as soon as possible, Ked said in a statement. A humid and unstable air mass will be over southern and central Serbia on Monday, and the development of a storm, which has already begun, will extinguish fires and alleviate the extremely dry conditions in southern Serbia. As the day progresses, a large cluster of thunderstorms will pass through southern Serbia in various southerly flows towards central Serbia, bringing significant precipitation accumulations from the strongest clouds, according to the Instagram page hailstorms. Multicells and supercells with high precipitation production will be the dominant type of convection, and large hail from the strongest clouds could be recorded in the Pirot, Jablani, Sinj, Prizren, Kosovo, and Kosovo-Pomeranian districts, where the atmosphere will be most unstable. In central Serbia, the greatest chance of heavy rain in the afternoon, evening, and night will be in the east rather than in the west, namely in the Šumadija, Pomoravski, Raski, Razin, Zaječar, and Bor districts. Storms from this region, in some form, could persist overnight as far as the Danube in the north or the southern Banat region. In some places, a layer of ice several centimeters thick has already formed. In several villages, Crops in gardens and orchards were completely destroyed. The powerful storm damaged vegetable and agricultural crops. Residents in the region reported, saying they can't remember a storm like this. Local radio station Borzani reported that traffic was blocked on several roads in the region due to the storm. According to local residents, the storm lasted about 15 minutes, Kosovo reported. Local media reported that hail accompanied by strong winds and thunder struck several villages, and flash floods occurred within a short time.